I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling with a login error on Snapchat, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the Snapchat app. Ensure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Go to your app store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if available. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix login issues. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 4. Clear app cache. For Android users, clearing the app cache can help. Go to Settings App Snapchat, Storage Clear Cache. This can resolve temporary issues. Step 5. Reset your password. If you are still unable to log in, try resetting your password. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login error and get back to snapping in no time. Good luck!